Hi, Titi.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi nga. Oh, yeah.
Jessie, wow! Penguin! Who wants to see penguin? Come here. You can see penguin. Oh, penguin! Mama, penguin! Can you see Mama? Penguin. Yeah, but penguin. Yes, penguin is a bird.
Yan naman kayo.
You say wow! Wow!
The play is so small.
Hi guys. What are you looking at?
Flamingo. I know what the good one.
Hi Mimi. What are you looking at?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Hi Flamingo. Record. Are you ready?
Yes.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Where are you going, Mimi?
I'm going to do that.
Bird Park. There's a bumpy here, bumpy road here. Look on the left. Look on the left side. You see, got a big water fountain. And then there's a stop.
You can't see that
See, wow, this one's so nice.
Look at that. Mama.
Hi. 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 Hi.
white-bellied sea eagles. They can be found from Southeast Asia, and they are the largest bird of prey right here in Singapore. Now, they are known to snatch venomous banded sea prey from the surface of the water. So if you're wondering what it is, it's a species of a highly venomous sea snake. So in a very short while, Nelson will be demonstrating that snatch, but before that, he's going to make a fly right across the top of your heads. Watch out, here he comes. Now here with me, I have a replica of such prey. Keep your eyes on him. It's going to happen really quick. In goes the snake, diving down at us right snatch. Well done, Nelson. Now birds of prey, they can get quite possessive with their snatch. I don't know if you can see from where you're sitting, but it's holding on really tightly to the lure. So watch what happens when I try to take it away from him. Nelson, can I have that please? Look at that, does not want to let it go. So in order for me to retrieve back my lure from him, what I'm going to have to do is an exchange with him. So Nelson, over there please, thank you very much. So I got my lure back, you can always reuse this later on. Now you might be wondering how these birds are able to get such a good grip over the slippery catch, such as the venomous banded sea kraits or even fish. Well, the answer, it lies beneath their feet. Remain seated. Here he comes. There you go. Now, did everyone know that owls are also known as silent hunters? And why is this so? Because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their wing feathers, which is why even when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. The sound frequencies will be absorbed by those feathers. And why is this so? Because owls hunt for rodents. And rodents have an acute sense of hearing, which is why the owl has to be very quiet in order to catch his prey. So that's why they're also known as silent hunters. Now everyone meet belang, our Malay fish owl. Number 2. Fantastic. Okay, one last one. Let's try and throw as high as I can. Okay, Parker, are you ready? Right over here, boy. Here he comes. Keep your eyes on him and... Oh! That was really close. Okay, you know what? Let's give him a second chance. All right, Parker. And nice catch. There you go. I wasn't lying to you. Now that was pretty fast. You may definitely try this one more time. Here you go. And nice snatch there. Okay. So not only that, these birds are able to snatch food in mid-air as well. So Parker, you ready to show up? Here it comes. And just like that. Very nice snatch. Do you want to see him do more? Yeah. Okay, let's try and show a treat and see how. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are now joined by our group of scavengers. So the small gray one right over there, now that is a white stag vulture, which are critically endangered in Africa. The one right over here, the big brown one, now this is a Cinereus vulture, which can be found in Europe and Asia. Last but not least, our beautiful ladies, the Marabou storks at the back. Those are also known as the old man storks. Good morning, Genghis. Now, Himalayan European vultures, they can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas. And some migrating to North south happen to have lost their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. So Genghis, he happens to be one of them. He was found weak and dehydrated along the shopping districts of Orchard Road, and that was back in 2005. So we rescued him, nursed him back to great health. And don't you think he looks very strong and healthy? Yes, because he is a survivor after all. Thank you very much for your appearance, Genghis. Time to head back inside.
Higher, Coco. Higher, the bird will come to you. That's the one. Don't worry.
The bird will not bite you. There. Get it off you. Get it off you. Get it The bird splash on you.
Come here. Come here. Which one you want? Which color? Red one? Okay. Come, the red one, come. Go away. Come, your friend. Come here. Come here. Get together. Let's get.
Let me do to hold.
Let me want to hold.
Hold together with Papa. No, you're not scared. Papa hold. Papa hold for you. With you together with Papa. Very good.
Itu hold together. Hold together.
No. See the bird looking at you. Hi. You see me, the bird. Hi. Hi. Don't touch ya.
Whoa. Whoa.
Bum, you whistle. Ui. Oh no. At all times, okay? Hi. Okay, let us start with something simple. Would you like to say hello? Hello. Very nice and sweet hello. Now he has his own name, and I'm going to get him to introduce himself. Okay, do you want to tell them your name? Amino. Did you catch that? One more time. What's his name? Amino. Amigo is his name. Alright, Amigo. How else would you like to greet all these nice people? Wow. He's asking how are you? Very polite bird. Now Amigo here, he's very intelligent. He can count 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hello, Durga. Hi. Hello, everyone. Okay, so this right here. Hi. So this is Big John, our greater sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now, Big John here, he's actually over 50 years old. Right, very impressive, am I right? So want to go back home already? I think it's because there is one cornea right up there. Okay, I think he's a bit lost. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring him back home first. Hi, are you lost? I think that is Magma. Hi, here. He's here. Okay, just a little bit more, okay? Go back home. Bye-bye. Oh. Looks like Big John does not like the cornea at all. Okay, so once again, this is not Big John. I'm trying to get you to say hello. So can we try this one more time, okay? Let us say hello. Hello. Oh, nice and sweet hello. Okay, so you just stay right over here. We will head back to Amiga, okay? So just pose for the picture while you're waiting, okay? So you heard him count. So this time he's going to count in second language, in Chinese. Attention. Hi, are you okay? So, Big John here, he actually can only mimic about 5 sounds, okay, which is the hello, chicken, laugh, cough, and bye-bye. So let us try this time. Would you like to show them how do you cough? Cough. Cough. Very cute cough. One more time. Cough. No! Do you want to head back home already? I need you to stay out here, okay? No bye-bye, but you're doing a great job. So once again, let us get back to Amigo. Okay, so, are you ready? Do you want to sing in Mandarin? Titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. So, Amigo, do you want to show them how do you sing Rasa Sayang? Amigo here has a very special song for you. Okay, Amigo, are you ready? Take it away. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you all so much for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now, Amigo here has done a wonderful job, but before he heads back, I have to let everyone know that Amigo here, he is 1 in a million. Good morning, Vicky. So hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now, when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Now, if you take a closer look right over there, that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our birds here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now very shortly, I'll be coming up closer to some of you right over here. I'll need everyone's cooperation.